Before the world knew his name, there was a man whose heart beat only for the love of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A man who spoke with courage, who lived with pain, and who left behind a legacy that still echoes across the world. This is the story of Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi, Rahimahullah, the voice that awakened millions. Born in 1966 in the small district of Attock, Punjab, Khadim Hussain Rizvi grew up surrounded by simplicity and faith. From a young age, he devoted himself to learning the Quran and Hadith, his heart filled with love for the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He studied at Jamia Nizamiya Rizviya, where his passion for the deen and his gift of speech began to shine. He wasn't just a scholar, he was a man of deep love, whose every word carried the fragrance of devotion. Life tested him early. An accident left him paralyzed from the waist down, confined to a wheelchair. But this tragedy did not break him, it transformed him. He often said, when Allah takes something from you, He gives you something greater in return. And indeed, Allah gave him a voice that could move mountains, a voice that would soon awaken an entire nation. Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi rose to prominence not through politics or fame, but through love and courage. His words were fire and mercy combined, calling the Ummah to rise for Namus-e Rasul, the honour of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Under his leadership, thousands filled the streets, chanting, Labbaik, Ya Rasulullah, not for power, but for faith. Even from his wheelchair, he stood taller than the powerful, speaking truth without fear. He was a poet, a lover of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and a teacher whose every line of poetry carried the message of Ishq Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He reminded Muslims, without love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is no faith, and that message has become a movement. On 19th of November 2020, the Ummah lost a lion, a man whose entire life was dedicated to the honour of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Millions gathered to say goodbye, their tears a testimony to the love he had awakened in their hearts. Khadim Hussain Rizvi's voice may have left this world, but his message still lives in every heart that cries, Labbaik Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah grant him the highest place in Jannatul Firdaus, and may his mission of love continue till the last day. Ameen. If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so more people can hear the message of love, courage and faith. Labbaik Ya Rasulullah.